So my friend, what about you before you leave? What about you denounce Islam and you accept that Islam is a false religion?
Know one thing that about destiny, and I agree with other things. I just want to understand destiny. Do you? So you are saying that God, forced everything to do things. So destiny does not mean that He knew what was coming, and that is what He wrote down. You're saying that, right?
No, yeah, because you see, knowledge of God is not destiny. That is not destiny. That is the power of God.
Yes.
Destiny is I make you do things, which means pre-plan for you, and you just do the plan. Even the word you say, it is my words. Even the act, like if we go as an example, just to explain it more. When somebody commits sin like adultery, do he choose to commit adultery, or it was an order from Allah? The logic is, I choose to commit adultery, correct?
Yes, and I knew that, so he wrote
okay down. So how Muhammad, he say that Allah told him, Allah has fixed the very portion of adultery which a man will indulge in which if necessity must commit. Necessity must commit. So
that means.
So
means
how?
That
okay, but
he will do some parts with his hand, some
my
parts
friend,
with his tongue.
Okay, but my friend, okay, so we stone a woman for adultery, but it's Allah who made the women do adultery. Is that fair?
Does it say that exactly? I mean,
yes, it says that. Read carefully, my friend. Read carefully. Can you read it for me in the screen?
Allah has fixed the very portion of adultery which man will indulge in, and which he of necessity must commit.
Right. So okay. So now a woman or a man, for sure, the woman, she will not do adultery again alone. She will do it with the man.
That means that we might see women, so it means that that is a fixed part, and not everybody is saved. Like you also might have watched some women maybe while we were walking out on the street. So that is fixed, isn't it?
No. You see, no. This is fixed. This is a predestiny. Allah has a fixed very portion of adultery which a man will indulge. Will? Would you see will? It says will.
Which a man will indulge in.
Will. Okay. So this is something you will do in the future. Who is the one who fixed it already for you? Allah. It's fixed.
Yeah, he fixed it. Means that, of course, it means that you are going to do it.
Right.
But,
so it's not my choice. It's not.
You will do it, right? So he's fixed some part.
Right. So it's not only you will do it. It's about the amount you will do. It says the very portion. Correct. So Allah, He decides for you how many women you will sleep with, how many women you will look at, how many times you will do it. He decided before you do it, and now you must commit. Now, so why Muhammad, he says, if a man commit adultery, whip him. If a woman, she is married, commit adultery, stone her. I mean, where is justice? If you are the one who decide for her, before you created her, how many men she would sleep with, how you stone her for a crime she did not do. The one should be whipped is Allah, because He is the one who made her do it.
Yes, I've seen most of your videos, and I agree with you most of the things. Almost, you are right about it. Yes, there are some things like this destiny. I still have to ask my scholar, but most of the things I agree.
All right. So, but you will not leave Islam by now yet. You will not announce Islam is false for you.
Yes, I think I'm actually already planning to do, because after watching some of your videos, I'm just doing a little more research into this. But I think 99% you're right.
All right, so 99.9%. So my friend, the 1% is stopping you. Let me help you to get rid of it. What is the 1% stopping you to leave Islam, to say I am out?
To ask just a few more questions from my scholar, and next time I will call you, and maybe I can confirm some answers from you, and then I'll decide the other 1%.
Well,
if it's 100% or not.
Well, I don't know. For me, I don't see a reason for you not to leave Islam right now, and this is why I'm giving you more time to say to me, what is the 1%? Give it to me so I can either make it clear for you, or you can do your own search. What is the 1%? Give me the 1% which holding you from staying as a Muslim. What is the 1%?
No, there is nothing holding me from that. I'm just just want to see that there's so many things that you've talked about, which are, of course, I've seen they're logical and they are true, but that's a small percent. Like the religion is big. So maybe that small percent, maybe there's some point, some
But
mistake.
my friend, hold on. You see, the religion is big, but the base of the religion now is destroyed already. You see, when we build a house, we start from where? We don't start from the roof. We start from the basement, correct?
Correct.
Okay. When you say to me that destiny is the basement of our religion, this religion is gone, because simply I commit sin is not my sin. I killed this guy, Allah, he made me kill this guy. I commit adultery, Allah made me commit, and then he will punish me for what he made me do. That's not only not fair, this is stupid. And then you say to the Muslims, and then remember, how many time, Abdullah, how many time you heard the Muslims saying, well, if Jesus, he died for your sin, is it fair that he died for the sin he did not commit? How many time we heard that saying? Okay, so as long you are against somebody to be killed for a sin he did not commit, well, all of you Muslims believe that you are going to be punished for a sin you did not commit, because this is all his destiny. You are going to be punished for adultery, but it's destiny. You are going to be punished for not killing Christians and Jews, and this is destiny. And so why I'm going to be punished? Adam was kicked out of him when Allah, he says to him and to Shaitan, get down all of you from it. Why? Because Shaitan, he whispered to Adam, but this is the destiny of Allah. Allah, he made Shaitan do that. Actually, the Quran says it clearly. Let me show you. Shaitan, he says to Allah the following, showing you the madness of the one who wrote the Quran. I hope you speak Arabic. It says here, قال فبما أغويتني. Okay, أغويتني is what? أغويتني mean you tempted me and you seduced me to do bad. Look at the first translation the Muslims they have. They say, because you have thrown me out of the way. The fact it doesn't say that. If we change the translation, look at this. This is Yusuf Ali. I will use different Islamic translation. Let us see if we can discover the truth. Because you have sent me astray. This is the Muslim translation. Okay, I will take it, no problem. But this is not a true too, because aghwaytani is more ugly, filthy word. It's like, okay, aghwaytani is like a woman, she is a prostitute, she is tempting you to sleep with her. That's what aghwaytani means. So the verse is saying that Iblis, Shaitan, he said to Allah, you are the one who sent me astray. Did Allah say no? No.
Yeah,
who is the one who sent?
Because you have sent me astray.
Okay, so you know, Allah is the one who sent Shaitan astray. So Shaitan is a good guy.
You have sent me astray. I will sit and wait against them, because you have sent.
Yeah. So
yes, I'm reading it.
Shaitan is a victim of the biggest Shaitan. Allah, he made Shaitan go astray, and now Shaitan, he said, because you did that to me, I'm going to do that to them too. Okay. So Allah, as long as we believe in destiny, Allah, he destined to Shaitan to be Shaitan, and now Shaitan is serving the plan of Allah. So now Shaitan, he is misleaded by Allah, and Allah, he did that because he wants Shaitan to mislead us. So all of us, including Shaitan, is the victims of Allah.
Yes, yes, yes. I think that 1% is also yes, demolished now. So yeah, I agree with you. Thank you.
Okay, so did you decide to leave Islam or not yet?
Yes, yes,
I mean to that.
About it.
Okay, I'm so happy for you that you decide to leave Islam. This obviously it's a garbage religion. It doesn't fit for a smart person like you.